While they were still scheduling meetings about the meeting, I had already shipped. One click. The system runs. I just set the direction.
If you've tried making AI videos before, this is probably what your screen looks like. One tool writes the script, another generates images, another creates video, another handles audio, and then you open an editor to stitch it all together. That's 5 tools, 5 logins, 5 learning curves, and usually 5 separate bills. And after all of that, your AI influencer looks completely different in every single clip. Google Flow just solved all of this. One studio, one place, and almost nobody knows it can do what I'm about to show you. Start a new project, then open the left side panel. Go to the Tools tab, scroll down, and you'll find Storyboard Studio. This is where everything begins. Most tutorials tell you to type one sentence and let the model decide everything. So let me show you what that actually produces. You get a script, scenes, characters, dialogue, transitions. It looks finished. But read it closely. No original idea, no emotion. Nothing your audience couldn't find in 100 other videos this week. This is what people call AI slop. Here is the difference. Instead of one sentence, I give Storyboard Studio a complete creative brief. A named character with a specific look. A story with a beginning, a turning point, and a close. 6 scenes, each with one camera angle, and the exact dialogue for every scene. You can download this template from the pinned comment. Add your own idea, your own opinion, the value only you can give. Now, I paste the full brief in. Same tool, same box. A completely different result. A complete short story. A named character. 6 scenes. Let me scroll through it. Good. Every angle held exactly as I asked. And this whole pre-production stage costs 0 credits. Now we build the visual world around it. Click the Assets tab. This is where Storyboard Studio generates your character, your locations, and your props, all from the script it just wrote. You have 2 options. Write your own prompts for full control, or use Autofill and let the tool generate everything from your script. I'm using Autofill. Elena, our character, appears automatically. Salt and pepper hair, dark blazer, exactly as the brief described her. 6 locations, prop, done. But here is something nobody tells you. When this tool builds a location, it creates several variations. Use them across your storyboard, and the same room quietly shifts between shots. Your audience will feel it. It breaks the illusion. Most tutorials ignore this. I won't. So instead of fighting for consistency, I make a creative decision that removes the problem. 6 different locations, 1 per scene. And soon, I'll show you why that is the more cinematic choice, not just a workaround. One note before we generate. On the free plan, your daily storyboard generations are limited, so plan the project before you click. Don't waste one on a script you don't love yet. For each scene, I can choose how many shots to generate. I'm choosing 3. Enough options to pick the best without waiting forever. Autofill. Every scene, every shot, every angle I asked for, visualized and ready. A full production storyboard. And it still hasn't cost a single credit. If this just saved you an afternoon of work, hit subscribe. I drop one of these workflows every week. Now, before we animate anything, I want to give you the one idea that separates clips that look generated from clips that look directed. It's called camera language, and it takes 10 seconds to add to any prompt. A wide shot establishes your world. It tells the viewer where they are. A medium shot creates connection. This is the angle that makes the audience feel you're speaking to them. A close-up isolates emotion, a hand, a face, a product. When the frame tightens, the feeling rises. A low angle gives your subject power. The camera looks up, and the subject takes control of the frame. A bird's eye gives you the overhead view. Desks, products, maps, anything you want to show in full. A Dutch tilt creates tension. The frame leans, and the viewer feels unease. Save it for your most dramatic moment. One more thing before we move on. Save the storyboard now. It does not save on its own. Download it to your computer so you never have to rebuild it from scratch. Now, here is the part nobody else is showing you. Storyboard Studio gave us a full screenplay. But to animate each scene in Veo 3.1, we need 6 separate prompts, 1 per clip. The camera angle locked, the character identical across every shot, and the dialogue inside quotation marks. Writing those 6 prompts by hand takes 20 minutes. This takes 60 seconds. Open ChatGPT. Paste this master prompt. Then, paste your screenplay at the end. Enter. 6 prompts, ready to use. Elena's description, the same in every one. The angles locked exactly as the brief specified, and the dialogue already in quotes. That quote format is not a style choice. It is the instruction that triggers lip sync. Without quotes, your character stays silent. With quotes, she speaks. ChatGPT handles that for you. Now we animate. Open all media. Every asset is here. Select your first image, choose Animate, pick Veo 3.1 Lite, and paste your first prompt. This is the only step that costs credits, and I want to be honest about what the free plan gives. You get 50 credits a day, reset each midnight. On Lite, each 8-second clip costs 10 credits. That is 5 clips a day. Use Lite for drafts and Fast for your final hero shots, which cost more and give you 2 clips a day. Also, free clips carry a small Veo watermark. You can crop it during the final edit. Now, the best part. The audio comes with the clip.
While they were still scheduling meetings about the meeting, I had already shipped.
Elena's dialogue with lip sync, sound effects, the room tone, all from the prompt. I did not open one separate audio tool. Now, how to keep this free long-term? Here is the system. Credits expire at midnight. They never roll over. So generate every day, even with no active project. You are building a clip library. Finally, take your clips into your editor. Place them in storyboard order. The clip audio sits on the lower tracks. Lift your narrator above it, add transitions, export. The AI built the story. You directed it. So here is the complete system. 1 paragraph into Storyboard Studio gives you the screenplay, the character, the camera angles. Free. ChatGPT turns that screenplay into 6 ready prompts in 60 seconds. Free. Veo animates each scene with built-in audio and lip sync, 5 clips a day. 1 idea, 3 steps, 1 free studio. The template, the master prompt, and the camera formula are all in the pinned comment. No email, no sign-up.